Hello traders, this is Umar with you and I hope you are all doing good. And yesterday I told the markets are likely to go on the downside only, and we put a big thumbnail also that upside is very limited, there is a fall incoming. So many people were telling, coming and telling you are that sir has told markets are going to go up and you are telling exactly opposite. Which sir, don't compare me with any sirs. I am here, I don't want to be that sir, this sir. I am Umar. I am doing my analysis. Even though I don't have very big money, I have enough good money, good amount of money. I am trading and I have been profitable all these days. So don't compare me with that sir, this sir and all. That sir told yesterday market will go up. It is coming down now. Now what you will do? So you don't compare me with others, but I exactly told last, even when Nifty was touching 17,400, I think 2 or 3 days back, there was a panic selling. Yeah, exactly day before yesterday. So I told Nifty will retrace and touch 17,500 and it will come down only. So that is what is happening. Markets are so weak. Market participants don't want to take the market on the upside. For the last 1 week alone, FIIs have sold around 13,500 or 700 crores. Last 1 week I am talking about. I am not talking about the entire November series. Last 1 week alone, they have sold for around 13,000 crores. And if you see the FII data is very much very much on a negative side or bearish. If you see the total number of puts and calls in the market, calls are increased by 12%. Around 12% call has been increased. Now I am not telling the numbers, I am just telling you the percentage. And future OI has been increased by 33%. So you know, if the markets are trending and futures are increasing, markets are likely to go on the upside. Let's say markets are bullish, and if the markets are moving on the upside and if the open interest is increasing, so market participants are buying futures. And at the same time, if the markets are coming down, still the future OI is increasing, means there are market participants are selling lots and lots of OI, open interest, right? So that is what is happening here. From yesterday's future OI and today's future OI, there is an increase of 33% futures OI. And calls, options, FIIs are around 5.19 lakh open interest, put open interest, long. FIIs are long in put open interest, around 5.19 lakh. So that itself tells us the markets are likely to go on the downside only. So if you want, it's up to you. See, I am just telling you the data. I am not telling anything negative. I am not crying, or at the end of the day I am making money. Whether you want to take it or not, it's up to you, right? And if you see the this thing, Reliance was a big problem today. Also Reliance dragged. First 10 minutes it was on the upside. First 3 candles was on the upside, big candles. Then following after that, all were in the red only. So Nifty, Reliance was down, and Reliance alone was the main reason for Nifty to go on the downside, slipping. On the second session, second part of the trading session, you know what happened. There was aggressive selling, around 200 points selling. 17,400 to around 17,600 to around 17,400, and we closed below 17,400. HDFC was not performing, HDFC Twins were not performing, Bajaj Finserv were performing, Kotak Bank was performing, and SBI was flat, really flat. And Infosys was down by 2.35%, and TCS, all were in the red only. So all these things tells us you shouldn't be going long, be long in the market. So that's what I've been telling for 1 week. Nobody is ready to listen. See, right? See, there are people who don't even talk about strategies, and you have to see the their view and all. Every video will go 100, 200% view. 200k views. But see, we are talking facts, we are very honest, we are how many strategies I have told. I have entirely one playlist for strategies alone. So all strategies, all these days strategies, whatever strategies I have learned, I have put there. There are people without telling any strategies, without just coming in front of the camera and telling something about the market, and you have to see the views. So I'm not I'm not complaining, or I'm not demotivating myself, but I am telling you this thing. We are talking many facts, we are telling many truths, but still we are not getting as much view as other channel. It's okay, fine. One day or other day we will reach there. We don't have to worry about that. And I've been telling this also. Whether we are getting views or not, whether we are getting subscribers or not, whether you are benefiting from this channel, I am benefiting from this channel a lot more than what you think. So jokes this thing apart, so let's see how things pan out tomorrow. So tomorrow is an expiry, it is going to be very volatile, super volatile. Last 4 weeks or 5 weeks I have been observing that when Thursdays are highly volatile. So tomorrow also markets are likely to go on the downside only, or even if it is flat, no, it is not going to. This 17,500 is going to be a good resistance now. Now this is the second attempt, right? Yesterday and today, this is the second attempt, and it is not able to, Nifty is not able to sustain above 17,500. For Nifty to inch up towards 18,000, which is the resistance, first Nifty has to close above 17,500. That itself is not happening. If tomorrow Nifty closes above 17,500, then we may inch towards 18,000, but we really don't know what is going to happen. What I am thinking is markets are going to be on the bearish side only, and there is no support from global cues. As of now, as I talk to you, Dow futures are down by 122 points. Nasdaq, S&P, European markets are all in the red. So without getting any global support, we are not going to go on the upside, right? So all these days we were doing like that only, right? So let's see what is going to happen. And FIIs, they have been selling for heavily. Last 2 or 3 days they have sold heavily. Last 1 week alone they have sold for around 13,000 or 14,000 crores, and yesterday they have sold for around 4,400 crores. 4,400 crores, and I'm sure they would have sold today also. So I do think that we shouldn't be long in the market now. It is time to sell call options. So that's what I think. So anyway, that's the disclaimer. You should consult your financial advisor before trading. So nothing much to talk. Don't mistake me. I'm not arrogant. I'm just telling what I can do or what I am thinking. This is all my personal view. And sometimes my personal view go right, and sometimes it terribly goes wrong. And when it goes terribly wrong, we try to manage our positions, right? So that's why we are in the market. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.